If you think making money with AI is about writing prompts, creating random content, or selling quick ebooks online, then you're already behind. Because the real money in AI is not in the tools. It's in understanding what businesses actually need right now and positioning yourself in a way that solves real problems for them. Hi, my name is Angela and I've been working full-time in the AI space for the past few years. I don't just experiment with tools, I build real projects, I work with companies, and I see exactly where money is actually being made right now. And the truth is, most of what you see online is outdated. People are teaching things that might get views, but they don't build income. They don't build a real business. So in this video, I want to show you what actually works today. Not theory, not trends that are already saturated, but real opportunities where companies are actively spending money right now. Because once you understand that, everything changes for you. One of the biggest opportunities right now is something very simple. Every company knows they need to be visible online. They know they should post content, build their brand, and stay consistent. But most of them don't do it properly. Not because they don't want to, but because they don't have the time, the structure, or the team. And that's exactly where the opportunity is for you. With AI, you can build complete content systems for businesses. You can create videos, visuals, brand avatars, and even automate the entire posting process. But here's the shift you need to understand. You are not selling content. You are selling consistency, visibility, and growth, because businesses don't care about one video. They care about showing up every single week without thinking about it. And if you can give them that, you are no longer just a freelancer. You become a long-term partner. And that's where recurring income comes in, because instead of getting paid once, you get paid every single month. Now think about how most companies are operating today. They are either trying to do everything themselves, which takes too much time, or they are hiring expensive agencies that are often slow and inflexible. AI allows you to create high-quality content faster, more efficiently, and at scale. So if you position yourself correctly, you are not competing with beginners, you are solving a real business problem. And that's the difference between someone who makes a few $100s and someone who builds a real income with AI. Now, the second big opportunity is education and digital products. Right now, there is a massive demand for AI knowledge. Companies want to train their teams, institutions want to educate people, and creators want to package their knowledge into products. But most of them don't know how to create high-quality content. They don't know how to structure a course, how to create engaging videos, or how to scale it. And this is where AI gives you a huge advantage. You can help them build complete course experiences. You can create video modules, use avatars to deliver content, and turn their knowledge into something they can sell or use internally. Or you build your own products. And this is where things become really powerful. Because when you build digital products, you stop trading time for money. You create something once and you can sell it again and again. That's how you start building leverage. Now let's talk about something that is still massively underrated, and that is AI commercials. High-end video content for brands, ads, campaigns, and storytelling. This is one of the most exciting opportunities right now because traditional agencies are still catching up. They don't fully understand how to use AI at a high level yet. So what do? They outsource it. They look for people who understand both creativity and AI, and that's your opportunity. If you can create strong visual storytelling with AI, you can position yourself as a specialist. Not just someone who generates content, but someone who creates emotion, message, and impact. Because brands don't pay for tools, they pay for results, they pay for attention, they pay for storytelling, and this kind of work is premium. This is where you can charge thousands for a single project. Now let's talk about something that will become even bigger in the future, and that is digital twins and avatars. AI versions of real people that can speak, teach, explain, and represent a brand. This is a complete shift in how communication works. People are repeating the same things every day, explaining the same offers, answering the same questions. With digital twins, they can scale themselves. They can create content without being present. They can onboard clients, educate their audience, and build a consistent presence. But here's the key. Very few people know how to do this properly. It's not just about creating an avatar. It's about making it feel real, clear, and aligned with the person or the brand. So if you learn this skill, you are not offering a simple service. You are offering leverage. And that is extremely valuable. And if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. The real money with AI is not in the tools. It's in how you position yourself. Stop asking what AI can do and start asking what problems you can solve for businesses using AI. And if you want to go deeper into this, into digital twins, AI commercials, and real business strategies that actually generate income, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more.